Okay guys, I don't have a lot of time. I have like 10 minutes to be out here, so I've already started another build. This is gonna be my Halloween build. I'm gonna be building a mask. It's kind of like ZNA Productions. I got inspiration from it, so I kind of created my own design. Here it is in clay. I'll show you in like a sec. So here it is in clay, guys. I'm gonna cover this in plaster of Paris. I'm using paper clay right now. I'm gonna leave every imperfection in it because I don't have enough time, and also I think it looks fine. It looks pretty scary, I hope. And yeah, so I'm gonna cover this in plaster of Paris. I have 10 minutes to do that, and then I have to go to bed. Okay guys, so I have one concern with this. This thing looks pretty good. It's a little dirty on the inside. I really hope that doesn't stick to the thing because I'm not gonna really clean that out. But my concern is, this is a very square looking thing, and I don't want it to be square. So like, I don't know if it's gonna like be square or not, and I really hope it's not. But if it's not, or if it is, then I get $40 from my parents for throwing it away because they were really against me making this for some reason. And yeah. And then I get to keep the resin and fiberglass stuff so I can make something else. There are a couple holes. There's one, I filled one right there. There's a couple there. One behind this eye socket. Not sure if I need to fill those. I'm gonna probably just take some clay. Just fill them like I did here and there. Yeah. I think it looks good. So, oops. I'm gonna mix some fiberglass resin with the hardener. I have gloves that I got from Home Depot. Since I work there, they had some gloves for us doing the trash, and I just grabbed some. They were totally fine with me grabbing them. Grabbed 4, so, oops. So I can have 2 here in case I don't, or if I have to change them or they break or something. So yeah, also another project that I tried, making a little skeleton thing out of nails. Didn't really work that well. Cool concept though. It's a little feeder, but not that bad, but yeah, so. Yeah, this is what it looked like after I put the resin on. I had it laying on my giant battery that I have no way to charge. So yeah, I'm gonna mix that up and pour it in here. Then I have some strips. Let's see what I've got in here. Okay, I've got some of these cloth, fiberglass cloth, so that I can have it a little bit stronger. I think that'll really help it. So. Fiberglass resin in the cloth. I hope this goes well. Okay guys, so okay. It's recording. So what was I gonna say? So yeah, don't mind this thing on my head. But the mask looks pretty dang good. So I'll show you guys it. It's still drying, but I think it looks so good for it being like literally a 1-2 day project. So right now the eyes are a little pooled. One problem I really have is there's a hole right there, and I don't know, I can't fix that. I don't have enough time to fix it. It's literally the night before Halloween. I probably will upload this today. If I can't, oh well. But I sprayed this with white heat resistant stuff because I wanted to originally make it so I could light it on fire like ZNA Productions did, because he's pretty good inspiry, I guess. I aspire like to be him. But I didn't like the white, and it kind of made everything pop out, so I sprayed a little bit of black over it. And this black sucks. It's truck and van paint. This is the only black I had. It's supposed to duplicate the original color and stuff, but it's like super liquidy. I don't know if that's supposed to be it. But then it just kind of sprays on. I don't know if I got that. But yeah, and it's supposed to have this like cool mixed look of black and white. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till this dries, flip it over, and spray paint the other side, because the other side looks awful too because it's white. So yeah. And there you guys go. This is my mask. It's very square, which I thought, but it fits, it works. One problem is the nose bridge is a little bit too small, so it's hard to put my nose in there. And also there was a defect in the mask, so I just have a little piece of rubber sitting there. It's also what I made this strap out of, rubber from a bike tire. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, please, and have a good day.